family living in an old house. The family consisted of a widow and her two daughters. Their lives depended much on food stocked by nature. One day, the two girls were not able to find food at all. Feeling tired because of staleness finding for food, they leaned upon a big tree and talked to each other. Sister, I'm hungry. Where do I find some food today? Asked the youngest. Me neither. I'm hungry too. But I don't want to get some food today.
Artikulasi jelas ya.
The oldest answered. Suddenly, guilty fell like a cloud. They were shocked. But how happy they were to know that it was such a banana.
A banana, hanya satu.
A banana.
Ingat-ingat.
Hey, what's the matter? Why is there a banana here suddenly? Asked the youngest. I don't know. Maybe someone gave it from above. But I don't see anything right above. And more fruits fell out from above. Book. Not long after that, they heard a little song. Kekekow.
Belum.
Kekekow.
Iya.
Kekekow. Kekekow. Kekekow.
Oh, begini ya. Kekekow. Kekekow. Begitu, ada suara.
Yes, it was the kekekow bird that was flying across the forest. They were speechless, and ran their home and reported to their mother. What's the matter, kids?
Jeda di situ kalau buru-buru di mama.
Oh.
Ulang. Jangan langsung mama bicara.
Ini meja lo sudah pakai kan?
Iya, tekan pasang gitu.
Betul-betul baru bisa sedikit ya,
Kita ambor-ambor. Masih sebentar Vanessa bawa itu ya, isi ulang. Mau nyimpang tuh bawa di rumah tuh buah-buah.
Seperti ini.
Oh iya, sorry.
Ini buat pangka burung.
Oh iya, good.
Pangka burung di sini tuh ya. Once upon a time, there's a family.
There was a family.
There was that.
Sudah, 1, 2, 3.
Once upon a time, there was a four. Ulang dulu.
Ulang. 3.
Once upon a time, there was a poor family living in an old house. The family consisted of a widow and her two daughters. Their lives depended much on food stocked by nature. One day, the two girls were not able to find food at all. Feeling tired because of staleness finding for food, they leaned upon a big tree and called to each other. Sister, I'm hungry. Where do we find some food today? Asked the youngest. Neither. I'm hungry too. But I don't know where to get some food today. There's no food along the way we strayed. Suddenly, the yellow pea fell out from above.
Ke arah situ musimnya. Kan pisang itu di situ. Pas.
They were shocked. But how happy they were to know that it was a banana. Hey, what's the matter? Why is there a banana here suddenly? Asked the youngest. I don't know. Maybe the banana came from above. But I don't see any people above. The oldest answered. More fruits fell out from above.
Book.
Long after that, they heard a sound. Kekekow, kekekow, kekekow.
Agak jelas dia pakai kekekow yang buku sambung begitu.
Yes, it was the kekekow bird that was flying across the forest. They were speechless, and when the cow turned quite close to them. What's the matter, kids? Their mom asked seriously. We think was something miraculous now. Come here, we'll show you. We only told her mother and ran back to the forest. Mother was quite shocked to hear. Kids, where did you get all of this? We're still living, Mom. How much did you this for Thomas? You're very hungry now. Asked the youngest. Then they brought the first home. Ini bagus yang kuning kan?
Itu apa?
Itu ini. Ini yang burung Jo.
Makanya itu kalau supaya isi langsung ambil sama wadang baru ingat waktu tuh. Ya. Ini. Iya. They took them. And one fell. Yes. No. No.
Following day, such a miraculous thing happened once again. Simpson came to where, they looked around, but saw nothing. Suddenly, human-like voice summoning them. Oh, Burung, come here. There's some food here. The bird gave them some food as they got on the previous day. They were happy and thanked the bird. We are very grateful for the song of kekekow, said the audience. It was just going on for several times. The bird gave them some food. Their friends got curious what the extraordinary message from the bird. So they sent the information to the village leader and summoned all the settlers to catch the bird.
Terlalu jauh.
In the shore, the bird.
Ribet itu plastik itu.
In the shore, the bird finally caught and brought to the village leader's house.
Good.
There, all the settlers stood in a row, waiting to be served by the bird. They asked for everything from the bird, but none of their wish came true. So they turned into anger, they turned to anger. Their hostility picked up, they wanted to slaughter the bird. With approval from the village leader, they began to slaughter the bird and got the village leader's house.
Langsung di situ Iya, mantap.
The two girls were late to know the bird was dying. Yes. Nothing was in you. Everything before was just the bird's corpse. Several years later, the two girls were beautiful girls. They no longer live in forts. They were capable of managing what the bird had given so far.
Posisi duduk?
Hah?
Posisi duduk?
Berdiri, kan selesai.
Oh iya, I see. Ataunya kalau sebagai pengganti, Vanessa ada bando bunga.